So here is how you can change your name of your Instagram account. It's actually really easy to do, but make sure you watch this entire video so you don't miss on a single step. So the very first thing that we actually have to do is go ahead and go into your Google Play Store or your iPhone App Store, and then you want to find Instagram because you're looking for a button to update the Instagram app to the latest version, or else you're not going to be able to follow this tutorial. So just go ahead and click on the update button. However, if it doesn't have that option, that means it is already updated. So from here, we can go ahead and click on open. So once you're in your Instagram homepage, you want to click on your profile picture on the bottom right hand corner, and that's going to lead you over to your profile page. So from here, as you can see, my name is My Balls My Pa. If you want to change it, click on the edit profile button on the left hand side. And then now, as you can see, you have this edit profile settings page, and at the very top it says name. So go ahead and click on your name, and then now you can delete your name. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete my name, and then you can change your name to something else. So let's change it to Joe Poop. Change it to wherever you want, and then click on the check mark just like that, and then click on the check mark again to confirm it. So normally after you click on the second check mark, then your name would be changed. However, for me, I actually changed my name a couple of days before. And as you can see, the message, it says you cannot change your name right now because I've already changed it twice within 14 days. So that's one thing to note, is that you have to wait 14 days before you can change your name twice. However, if this is your first time changing your name, then you should have no issue with that problem.